Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, I'm here back again with a fabulous project. It's called BingConsole.com. So it's a 100x potential project. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting that, we see a small disclaimer. This is not investment advisor. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure to do your research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So you can check out here. I am here on the website homepage. You can check out home, about, community and their tokens. The Lady of Solana Bink Bonk sister joined Bink Adventure in a Solana blockchain. So this is a Solana based project. You can check out their dollar by Bink, the price chart, airdrop. So guys, one thing, they are giving very huge airdrop to their community. Simply how to participate in airdrop, I also tell you. You can also check out their contact address is also provided. You can also copy. So this is already listed on Dex Scanner, Dex tool, and you can check out their social links, Telegram and Twitter. You can check out Bink, the new lady on Solana. You can check out their latest information. Our community, you can also check out a very big influencer promoting their project. You can check out, join our community. This is a token. This is the official contract address. You can copy here. There you can check out their total supply. It's a unlimited supply. You can also check out the token symbol $Bink, and you can also check out tax 0. So guys, if you buy this token and you can sell, you are giving 0 tax to there. You can check out, they have buying and selling 0 tax. So it's a very amazing thing. You can also check out the full homepage about this project, their $Bink. I also tell about this. You can check out their price chart. If I click on this, you can check out their price chart. This is the price chart. You can check out the price of $0.5015, and there all the social links provided here. We contract and website, all the links provided here. You can also check out the price prediction about the project. You can also use the best indicator for price prediction. This is the latest buy, sale, everything provided here. You can check out their edits and contract verified, and it's a verified project. You can check out their market cap, liquidity, total supply, holders, market cap. You can also check out DexSwap. So it's a very amazing project. This is the Telegram portal, and this is the official Twitter account. Simply like this. Simply click on follow. After clicking the follow, you can follow here the account. They have 1000 plus followers. You can check out Bink Bonk sisters. Contact address is also provided. You can check out here. They are giving 2 Solana give alert. You can check out. We are giving up 2 Solana $119 each. There, how to enter, like the post, follow us on Twitter, join the Bink and Telegram group. You can also check out the Telegram group. So guys, this is a very simple task. You can follow their 2 Sol giveaway. You can also check out full information about this project. How to buy, I also tell about this. You can also check out full information about the project. So now we are going to back to the website. You can also check out their price chart. If I click on the price chart, you can check out the Dex scanner is also open. You can also check out the airdrop. If I click on the airdrop, you can also check out the airdrop. This is the contract address. You can copy here. The main thing is how to buy this token. Simply click on buy bonk. After buy Bink, Radium will be successfully open. So first of all, you can check out their about section. This is the community. This is the tokens. You can also check out what is invest expenses, Solana Galaxy, new star born. You can check out meet Bink. You can also check out the full information A to Z also provided here. So now we talk about how to buy this project. You can check out here Radium successfully open. So simply first of all, click on connect option. After clicking the connect option, you need to connect your wallet here. Simply click on Solver. After opening the Solver, so I am entering the password here, and then wallet will be successfully open. Simply I click on connect option. Then I click on I understand and confirm option. After clicking the I understand and confirm option, you can check out my wallet has been successfully connected. So now enter your amount, how much you want to buy. Simply enter your Sol amount, how much you buy token in with the Solana. Simply suppose if I buy with 1 Solana, you enter your amount here. Then after entering the amount, you can check out their token economics, and you can see the finding best pool. So guys, you now can check here. You can also check out the price of if I open buy with 1 Solana $192. You can check out I will get like something amount. This is a very unlimited token. I don't have any balance. After entering the amount, then simply click on confirm option. After clicking the confirm option, your token will be successfully bought it. So it's very easy method to buy this project. I already tell everything about the project. So let's talk about some on the Dex scanner. You can check out their price, USDT price. In you can also check out 25 minute, 1 hour, 6 hour, 24 hours high, 24 hours low, liquidity $190. You can also check out their buy sale token volume. You can also check out the full information about the project by Bink and Solana Radium Dex scanner. This is the 1 minute, 50 minute price prediction. You can also check out. You can also use the past indicator. For the price prediction, you can also see the full project detail here, all the charts, social links provided here. So this is the latest buy and sale. So it's a very amazing project. I tell everything about the project. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We will definitely reply you, and you must join their communities. So I hope you understand everything. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.